Hey there, the team over at VOSSER has sent over this queen size air mattress. It has a built-in pump and says it will inflate from bag to inflation in 3 minutes. Let's give it a try. So here we are with the inflated air mattress. It did take just about 3 minutes to get it from start to finish. So this air mattress is not cordless. It does have a cord that fits nicely next to the pump in its own compartment. So all I did was take out that cord, plugged it in, and then turned the dial to inflate. Once it was inflated, I turned the dial to the center and that shuts off the pump and you're ready to go. There's no other steps you need to take. Now that it's inflated, I can tell you, I actually think it's very comfortable. And let's talk about the height of the bed because the description does say this is an 18-inch bed. I did do a measurement on it and I'm getting 17 and a half to 17 and 3/4. That's likely because I've only filled this up a couple times and I'm trying to make sure I have enough air in it without being too much. So as I use this, I'm probably going to be just fine with that 18 inches, but really the 17 and a half, 17 3/4, I can't really tell the difference. Here's an up close look at the material of the bed. It is a thick PVC on the sides and the bottom. And then of course on the top, you have this kind of velvety kind of texture here. Because of course this is made out of PVC and is inflatable, there are always chances that it could have a puncture or a tear. VOSSER has provided a patch for that. So if it needs to be repaired, there is one of these and there are detailed instructions on how to take care of that. Once the mattress is no longer needed and family has headed home or whatever other reason that you need to use it for, this deflates just as easily as it inflated. You simply plug the machine back in, turn it to the deflate function, and the mattress will deflate itself. Once it's deflated, the manual has detailed instructions on how to fold the mattress back up so it goes into the bag. I did not have any problems getting this mattress into the bag once it was folded up. The bag is plenty big for me to do this without fighting with it, and it closes with this cinch string. If you are looking for a mattress that's going to take care of inflating itself, deflating itself, and all you pretty much have to do is put sheets on it and go, then I hope this video helps you decide if this is a good product for you.